All right, hi everybody. It's Mr. Parker here, band teacher at CV. Uh, you're here watching this because you want to find out about SmartMusic and how to use it to help you practice during continuous learning. If you are trying out for our concert band, that's the top band that freshmen can get into. It meets during third period typically, the middle of the school day in high school. But anyways, I'm just here to show you this tool after you've already joined SmartMusic. So this is all assuming you've already made an account. Those instructions are in your Google Classroom. It's pretty simple. Just use an email, create your account. You'll get an activation code, click it, and you're in. You'll have access to look through all of their 10,000 songs that they have available for you. That's all paid for by us, so you get the access and you can practice anything you want. You can play with bands. They have little recordings for you to hear and all sorts of great stuff, tools for the situation we're in. Okay, so I'm gonna just be, I'll be a trumpet player. Okay, I got a trumpet right here. So this is the tool that is in your classroom already. Percussion, you have a separate one. It's a little bit different as far as the content, of course, but it all looks the same. All right, all works the same. So trumpets, the first thing you're going to want to do, or anybody I should say really, is make sure that you get a PDF. So click on your PDF, download that, and make sure that you have what you need, okay? For everybody, it's a 2-page print off. So it's not a huge commitment on your printer's side, but here is the minuet and trio. Here's Princess Leia's theme, and down below is the chromatic scale. What I'm going to show you today is I'm going to go back to the PDF. I'm going to show you how to use SmartMusic. Okay, so I'm a trumpet player. I already have my account set up. All I have to do is click Minuet and Trio. And poof, little sticky tape gets the settings all set up for me as a trumpet player. And I am in, and I'm looking at Beethoven's Minuet and Trio. Hopefully this plays to the sound that you guys hear, but I have it hooked up to my headphones. I really encourage you to use earbuds if you can. But you can turn up your part volume, you can turn down the accompaniment, and then you can have the metronome as loud as you want. All right, it's a pretty awesome tool. I'm going to hit play. I'm going to practice this song. So I was just practicing that. You can actually hear the trumpet playing along. So if you don't know how it sounds, you can turn the piano all the way off. It's a really great tool. All right. And if you come across a note in your part, no matter what instrument, you click on that note. There's this little button down here, and it will show you the fingering. So all your, and in this case, this actually has options. Okay, so there's multiple fingerings for that note. Okay, so if you have a question about anything, the computer should be able to access fingerings, and it also play back the notes so you can kind of double check and fix the pitch. Okay, the cool part, the part that I love about this, is the fact that I can record myself and it'll tell me how I'm doing. Okay, there's a little, you kind of have to unplug your headphones, test your microphone, then you plug your headphones back in. So right there towards the end, I started playing notes wrong on purpose, just to show you that you can see the notes that I did well. I got a little green light for. The notes that I messed up on purpose, are all red. And you can see them, it's red because I played the wrong fingering, the wrong pitch. Okay. If I was playing it too early or too late, it'll show the note displaced early or late to the black ink. Okay. It also gives me a score, and I know you're all going to screenshot it and put it everywhere that I got your band teacher, your high school band teacher got a 26%. But first of all, I did some things wrong on purpose. And second of all, I did not take the whole test. Okay, I did not play all the way through. So all those notes I also got wrong for not attempting them. So be careful about getting too caught up in the 26%, 50%, 100%, and focus on green. How much can you make green in your practice? Okay, so just a really cool program. I hope you guys can use that. And you don't have to save or anything. I would just delete it and work on another piece or something else. But all this stuff is available through here. So you'll be able to do Princess Leia's theme. It actually has, instead of piano accompaniment, it has orchestra accompaniment. It's great. And the chromatic scale has a cool little funk beat that goes with it. So anyways, in class on Thursday, the 28th, I'll talk about what all this stuff means over here on the right because it seems a little bit scary. But I promise you it won't be too scary. And then I'll talk to you about it, and then I'll fill it in on the app. So if you have questions about the right side over here, just hold tight. If you are just ready to start practicing something, then find your stuff and do your thing over here and get your work done. All right. Thanks for checking in, and I will talk to you soon. Take care.